Welcome to WhiteCane Academy, inclusive learning for a brighter tomorrow.
This NVDA add-on will be the game changer in 2026. Hello friends, I found one powerful NVDA add-on which can read images, scan PDFs, translate texts, transcribe audio files, even solve CAPTCHA automatically. Welcome to another video of WhiteCane Academy YouTube channel. After a long time, I'm here with another interesting video. In this video, I will show you an AI-powered NVDA add-on that will change your life. Before starting the video, if you are interested to learn basic to advanced computer, including MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Internet, email, Outlook, using AI tools, Google tools, or if you want to learn advanced computers such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, programming languages like Python, C, C++, Java, PHP, MySQL, or if you want to learn WordPress or any other training, then WhiteCane Academy is here to support you. Visit our website from the About page of our official YouTube channel to learn more about our courses. We are always welcome you to join us and learn as you wish. The best part here, you will get one-to-one training programs, which means you will get personalized guidance, class recordings, certificates, notes, and time flexibility. So go to the About tab and visit our website. Now, without much delay, let's get into the video. The add-on name is Vision Assistant Pro. You can download this add-on from the NVDA Addon store. So first, let me switch to the IBM DTS
desktop list, recycle bin list.
And now I'll be showing you how this add-on will work. So this add-on has a lot of features. I have created one note here. So if you want, I can share that note with our audience through our Telegram channel. So you can join there, or WhatsApp channel, you can join there. You will get that note. So now let us discuss features one by one. This NVDA has smart voice input feature, which means you can turn on this voice input in any edit box and say whatever you want to type, and after that it will type not only this with proper punctuations. Okay, let me show you how. To activate this, press Ctrl Shift NVDA or insert S and start speaking. Let me show you.
Listening.
Hello, how are you? If you are first time visit this channel, please subscribe our official YouTube channel. You can also join our WhatsApp and Telegram channel to learn more about the new technology. If you are interested to learn computer, you can join our premium courses. Thank you for watching.
Typing.
Pressing the same key will stop, and it is now typing. So wait for a few seconds.
Paste typed. Hello, how are you? If you are first time visit this channel, please subscribe our official YouTube. Thank you for watching.
Okay, so some text it's removed, but still it works.
Hello.
See.
EAELLO dot carriage return.
Now see, it is automatically return to the new line as I feel that give the gap.
How are you? Carriage question.
And after how are you, automatically it's added the question mark.
H. If you are first time visit this channel, please subscribe.
So it depends on your emotions and how you are talking. You can type whatever you want. Okay. So this is the first feature we have to discuss. Moving to the next. Next feature we'll be talking about is Text Refiner. This feature helps you to refine any text. You can modify, you can translate whatever you wish. Let's say this is our text.
Hello, how are you? If you are first time visit this channel.
And now this is not looks professional. If I want to change it or if I want to refine it, I need to just press one shortcut key, which is Control Shift Insert R, and it will give me some options.
Open a refined dialog. Choose action. List. Summarize. Summarize.
So first option is summarize. If you have a long text, you can summarize easily, which we're not going to do right now.
Fix grammar.
Fix grammar. You can fix the grammar.
Fix grammar and translate.
Fix grammar and translate. You can translate this after fixing the grammar.
Explain.
And explain is also there, so it will explain properly. So let's do that.
Fix grammar.
Fix grammar. I'm just pressing tab.
OK button.
Click on OK.
Star hello. Notepad. Text editor document if.
And wait for a few seconds.
How are you? Hello, how are if you are first vision assistant, refine result dialog, ask, edit blank, text editor, hello, how are you? If you are a first time visitor to this channel, please subscribe to our official.
Now see, this is opened. This is a small virtual dialog is opened with your results.
Blank.
You can just press Shift plus Tab.
AI response, edit read only.
And now see.
Computers, blank, blank, CAPTCHA, subscribe to AI text editor, hello, how are you? If you are a first time visitor to this.
This is a text editor and this is.
Subscribe to our channels to learn computers, AI text editor, hello, how are you? If you are a first time visitor to this channel, please subscribe to our official YouTube channel. You can also join our WhatsApp and Tele channels to learn more about new technology. If you are in computers, you can join our blank.
Now if you press Tab,
ask, edit blank.
You can ask questions about this text.
Send but save chat button.
You can save this chat.
Close but save. Save chat log dialog. File name combo box collapsed. Edit alt plus n blank. Save as type combo box text files star.txt.
So you can save this chat as a txt file. So this is a powerful feature which you can easily try. So translate. Many of you already know about the translate and other things. That's why I'm not going to waste your time by showing those features. By the way, to translate, first you have to select the language from the settings of this add-on, which I will show you at the end of the video. So stay tuned. Next, we will be talking about another powerful feature of this add-on, which is vision and screen analysis. In some areas, we cannot read the screen even while we are using NVDA. That time, you just need to press Control Shift Insert V or O to get a screen analysis. Let me show you how.
Scanning. Vision Assistant Image Analysis Dialog. Ask, edit blank. The image displays a digital icon featuring a white document with a curled top right corner. Centered on this document is a large, solid red circle. The entire icon is enclosed within a dotted rectangular border.
So this is the screen currently have. So let me just go to another screen and let me just do this again.
Scanning. Vision Assistant Image Analysis Dialog. Ask, edit blank. This image is an icon likely for a software application set against a light gray subtly textured background that resembles paper or a very fine gradient. At the top there is a prominent stylized W shape rendered in a metallic gold or bright yellow color with a slight bevel, giving it a three-dimensional appearance. This W has a jagged upward trending pattern. Desktop.
So it depends on the icon or the graphics where is your focus. So you can use this. But remember, this feature is not up to the mark as per me. So moving to the next feature. Next feature is document Q&A. Here you have to upload a document and ask any questions about that. To do this, press Ctrl Shift Insert D.
Select document to analyze.
And simply you can upload any document here.
Not select. Intro.
So I'm pressing Tab after choosing this file.
Header file name. Files of open button. Alt
Click on open button.
Desktop list. Gold wave 3 of 28. Vision Assistant. Chat dialog. Ask,
let's
edit
wait.
blank. Document ready. Ask your question.
Document ready. Ask your question.
Send. Ask.
So let's see. I'm going to ask that.
Lip out. Top. 5. The book. Set thinking.
So it is thinking and it will give you the answer. To get the answer, you need to press Shift plus Tab to reach to the chat list, where you are chatting with this AI tool.
Based on the provided list of pod player shortcuts, here are 5 commonly used and highly practical shortcuts. 1. Spacebar, play/pause. Page 2, essential for controlling playback. 2. Up arrow, volume up. Page 1, frequently used for adjusting audio levels. 3. Right arrow, 5 seconds forward. Page 1, useful for quick navigation through content. 4. Enter, full screen. Page 1, for an immersive viewing experience. 5. F3, open.
So sir, you will get this type of results, and if you want, you can also ask any type of questions you want quickly, and you don't need to install any other third-party applications. You just need one NVDA add-on. You can do all of this task. But this is not enough. You can do a lot of more. Moving to the next feature. Next feature we'll be talking about audio transcription. To activate this, press Ctrl+Shift Insert A. Select an audio file.
Ads not selected. Helen Keller. Head open button alt. Desktop list.
Now you have to wait. It is analyzing and it will give you the result. If you want to learn more about audio transcription, you can visit our video on Sound Transcriber or Sathi application.
Vision Assistant error dialog connection error. Too many desktop.
So audio transcription feature is not working in my case. It is showing too many requests. Okay, you can try it yourself, and you can also share your opinion in the comment section, as well as you can try also this translation feature as well as the document OCR feature. Now I want to show you the powerful and most interesting, more the unique feature of this NVDA Addon. So let me show you that. The feature name is CAPTCHA solving. Yes, you can solve CAPTCHA using this NVDA add-on. Though I have sent many requests to this add-on API key, so maybe it will not work, but let me try once.
Search new tab.
To do this, I'll open the Google Chrome and one website.
Clickable form. Clickable home image graphic. Navigate the login page.
Go to login page, and here you will find this CAPTCHA.
CAPTCHA graphic.
Just move your focus on the graphic CAPTCHA, then press Ctrl+Shift Insert C.
Solving.
And wait until it's solved.
Vision Assistant error dialog connection error. Too many requests.
So it is showing that too many requests, so might be I cannot do it today, maybe tomorrow, or maybe it's after some time. Once I'll be able to do it, definitely I'll make another short video to show you how it actually works. But it will definitely work. It will automatically solve the CAPTCHA and copy it. You just need to go to the edit box and just paste it. That's it. But still, I will show you once I can do it properly. Now let me tell you how you can configure this NVDA add-on. After installing this add-on, you need to visit your aistudio.google.com and generate one API key. How to generate? Let me open a new tab. And here I need to search AI Studio.
Google.google.com selected. Google AI Studio.
And here, after coming here, press B until you get API key.
Clickable navigate settings button. Google account. Buttons on asset but Google main API key button.
Just click on API key. And in this page,
no next heading. Button project. Button group by. Button create API key. Link API quick start.
Here you will get some options.
Heading link button create API key.
Just click on create API key.
Close dialog button.
Then press tab.
Name your key edit blank.
Give some name.
Combo box select a cloud project.
Select a cloud project.
List.
Just go down.
Generative combo box generative language client.
Press enter.
Expanded. Combo.
Tab.
Cancel button.
Cancel
create key.
And create. Once you press enter on create key,
mainland.
Then you will be having a
log
API key, which you can then copy and you can just paste where I'm going to tell you. Now you have to open NVDA Preferences and Settings dialog.
NVDA settings.
Then press V.
Vision Assistant Pro 20.
You will get this add-on settings. Now you need to press tab.
Vision Assistant Pro property page. Gemini API key. Edit selected AI.
You need to enter the API key here.
AI model. Combo box Gemini 2.5.
Choose AI model from this combo box.
Proxy URL. Edit blank.
It is not required for
Source,
now.
Combo box auto detect collapsed.
Source means it is for the translation purposes. Source means source language. Auto detect is enough.
Target. Combo box English.
Target
collapsed.
language is English, which means whenever you give the command for translation, smart translation, whatever language is there in your text, it will be translated in English. If you want to change, you should change it from here.
AI response. Combo box English collapsed.
AI response. This AI response we get now, in which language? English or any other, you can choose.
Smart swap checkbox checked.
Smart swap is also available.
Capture method. Grouping. Navigator object radio.
Okay, CAPTCHA method.
Custom
capture
prompts,
method,
capture.
navigator object.
Custom prompts, name, content, edit blank.
Custom prompts. If you want to set the custom prompts, if you can do.
OK button.
Then click on OK.
Login.
So today I'm not going to show you how you can use this custom prompts and other things. If you're interested, then let me know in the comment section so that I can make a different video. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed the content. If you find this content useful, don't forget to press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you have doubts or questions, type into the comment section. You can join our WhatsApp group for further discussion. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.